In this video, we are going to check how web options and online self-reporting is done. So to start off with, you need to enter the following URL in any of your browsers and you'll be able to see the following homepage. So in this homepage, you'll be able to see a candidate login, candidate pre-registration, application fee payment. These are the three options. Here you need to do candidate login. To do candidate login, you might have received a mail or message in which you will have your DOST ID and PIN which is given to you. So those would be helpful for you to do the login. So before we do the login, if you forget or if you want to reset your PIN, just have to click on reset or forget PIN option, and you would be asked to give your DOST ID and enter the captcha. So once you enter the details, your PIN is going to be reset and you'll get a fresh PIN to your mobile phone. So you can use the new PIN and your DOST ID to log in. So click on candidate login and give your DOST ID and give your PIN number and enter the captcha and click on sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be able to see the college which is allotted to you based on the merit and the location of the college and the course. All of these are going to be displayed to you. This is basically phase 1. So phase 2 is again going to start shortly. Here you need to exercise your web options and you need to just do the payment, or else if you fall under a layer in which you don't have to do the payment, you can directly click on web options and your colleges would be shortlisted and you will get your details again in phase 2. So here we are going to see how to select the second language. Just have to click on the drop down and you need to select your second language and you just have to add the second language. So the other options which are visible on the screen are download the allotment order, and the other option is online self-reporting. So online self-reporting is a mandatory step. This step gives a confirmation to the college. If a student is not doing, or if a student is not taking care of his or her online self-reporting as the instructions given in the page, the seat gets automatically cancelled and the seat is going to be allotted to the next student who falls in the merit list. One more option, that is students can download their allotment order by clicking on download allotment order. Once you click on download allotment order, here you will be able to see the fee structure and your details. You just have to check your details. You'll have your college code and your college name and the second language which you have selected, and you have your other details. So your tuition fee and your exam fee and all the details have been provided here. So you can just print and save the allotment order, or you can just print the allotment order and keep the hard copy with you. So it's a simple process. You have all the options shown on the screen, how to download and or else how to print the allotment order. So here you have other options as well on the screen, like application entry and application edit and print your application, or your web options again, which would be useful for your phase 2, or change PIN, and the last option is log out. You can just log out again. So we'll get back to web options again. If you want to exercise again into your web options for a better college and select a better course, you just have to click on exercise web options and you need to do the payment. So online self-reporting, again here, if you click on online self-reporting, your seat gets confirmed. And if you want to do web options, if you want to exercise web options, click on all the required fields and checkbox and you can just proceed to payment. Here we have selected Autumn as the gateway, payment gateway. So you'll receive a OTP. You need to keep your mobile phone handy so that once you receive the OTP, you can just enter the OTP and continue with the payment procedure. Here you have multiple options again: credit card, debit card, net banking, and scan and pay, and UPI. So we have chosen scan and pay, where you can just scan the code and you can do the payment. Once the transaction is done, your transaction success page, and your confirmation of your seat and all is also going to happen here. So once you click on download self-reporting acknowledgement letter, you will have the acknowledgement letters shown to you. You can just download that. You have all the instructions here shown to you. You can just go through the instructions. Students are requested to do the online self-reporting without fail. Now let's see how to select colleges using web options. Here you can see web options by course or by college. You can select either of the options and give your requirements, like let it be a college name or the course type or a medium of language. So here we are going to select few colleges for our understanding. And once we select all the colleges, please scroll down and enter the CAPTCHA. Once you enter the CAPTCHA, you will get a notification that the college has been selected successfully. Or else if you have already selected the college, once you click submit button, it's going to show that the college has been already selected. You can also review your selected colleges by clicking on this option. You will have the list of colleges which you have selected. Also recommended, just in case you have a doubt that your pin is exposed or your pin is been seen by someone else, you can change the pin, because with this pin we'll have an option to change your selected colleges or to change your confidential details. So we request each and every one to keep your those IDs and pins very confidential. So once you update your pin, you'll get a success message that your pin is updated, and you can log out and again you can check whether the pin is changed or not. So coming to the support team, which helps us to clarify other doubts to the students. So we have a 24/7 WhatsApp chat which helps you to clarify all your doubts, and you can follow us in Facebook, Twitter and YouTube for latest updates. Yes, you will also receive updates to your registered mobile number through emails and SMS. And you have other options like write to us, where you will have frequently asked. You can just click on them. I recommend students to either use WhatsApp, which is displayed on the top, 7901002200 number. There you will get instant replies and they'll help you to understand better about the procedure. One more option which you can see in the home page, user manual. So admission schedule is also shown in the home page of this DOST website, so where you have all the details here. So once you check all the details, or you will get SMS on. You can search colleges and course, and you can see the cutoff marks as well in the options shown here on the screen. Just clicking on search colleges and course, you will have all the options. So you can just give the university name, college name and course type and medium, and enter the CAPTCHA. You will get the list of colleges, and this will help students to understand more in detail what options they have. And never forget to log out from the homepage if you are using internet cafe services, or if you're logging in from a different laptop or a desktop from your friend's place or other place, because the DOST ID and password needs to be kept very confidential, and your allotment orders also. So second phase of web options also would start shortly. You can just keep yourself updated. But a major point is to keep your online self-reporting as a final checkpoint, because once you give your online self-reporting, then itself your college seat is going to get confirmed. Else you will still be under consideration, because every college or university is going to wait for a student to give their confirmation. So once a student misses his or her deadline, there are chances that they might miss their seat. They might miss their college seat.